rise together in the sky. Wild geese in patterns passing by, a shape that holds a guiding light, a rhythm born from the divine. Each wing beat keeps the others near, a quiet trust that conquers